And the Credit Man Willis here, and we're talking about shopping, merchandise, and catalog credit cards. You might have heard it referred to one of those three, but they're shopping, merchandise, and catalog credit cards rather. These credit cards, while they advertise guaranteed approval, they'll advertise credit reporting, singular, and they'll claim to offer a whole bunch of benefits, including a $500 credit limit. These are some of the worst credit cards out there. They're not even credit cards because, first of all, your credit card will only, your so-called credit card will only be accepted for purchases for products for the company that created that credit card. They used to send out catalogs, and they may still do this, but a lot of them will offer a website as well. They're going to charge you shipping and handling. They're going to charge you, you're going to be paying much more money for any goods that you purchase than would cost you anywhere else. They're also going to automatically enroll you in benefit plans, which last we were investigating was like $25 a month. And they're only at best going to report to one of the credit bureaus. That you have 3 credit reports. It's not just one. It's not going to do anything to actually build your credit. These are the real predatory lenders. This is who the government should have gone after with all those new laws, because before you could have gotten an unsecured bad credit card. You can't anymore. The alternatives here, and what we would encourage you to, the real one and only alternative that we encourage you to use instead is a fully secured credit card if you're looking to build credit. And check to make sure, because what you really need with a credit card that's going to build credit, you need your account to be reported every single month to all 3 of the major credit bureaus. Otherwise, you're not actually building credit. Otherwise, the credit bureaus don't even know that you have a credit card. The other alternative, and this won't build credit, but it is a way to avoid some fees, and it's really much more consumer friendly today. The industry's absolutely exploded, especially with the government's new laws. Are the prepaid debit cards. They're much more fee friendly. They're not going to build your credit. It works just like a checking account. You deposit money, and when you make purchases, that money is withdrawn. Like we said, they're much more fee friendly. They are, just do a little bit of research. Some of them, from my understanding, will still charge you some not real thoughtful fees, such as talking to a live customer representative, about your account. Listen, things happen in life. If you're being charged $2 to call in and talk to somebody, and not many of the reputable, legitimate ones will charge these anymore because there's so many more companies out there. But please avoid catalog merchandise shopping cards. We have heard nothing but horror stories from many individuals over the years we've been discussing and talking about this information. They're not going to build your credit. You're going to get just sorry goods for sky high prices. They just want to churn and burn every single person that comes in there. There's no good things that anybody's ever said about a merchandise catalog shopping credit card. Please be cautious. The other things that are available are a partially secured credit card, and this was the way the banks worked around the government laws. But what this does, it's similar to a secured credit card, but you make a smaller deposit. Let's say, for example, you make a $100 deposit, and then you'll be extended a credit card with a $300 credit limit, but you're going to be responsible for sky high interest rates, huge fees. I mean, the last time we looked, we saw one card that had a 36% APR. Unfortunately, that is a result of our government getting involved with the predatory credit lending and saying, passing these new laws. Because before, you could get a credit card with about a 20% interest rate, unsecured credit card. You didn't have to put a dime down. You would have some fees, and that was one of the tools that a lot of people use to build credit. So please use some caution. Please don't get a merchandise shopping catalog credit card. You will regret it, unfortunately. just please avoid it, and please pass this along to anybody who's even considering those. They're really just out there to take advantage. That's who the government really should have gone after, but they've been out in the market for a long, long, long time. So please use some caution. Please be careful. If you'd like to know some more, we're going to include a link to an article at our website. We currently have a free report we're giving away, the 7 super simple steps to clean credit. Contrary to popular belief and the talking heads on TV, you don't just have to live with bad credit. And if you'd like a no obligation credit report summary and consultation, you can call toll free 1-855-655-9869. Again, that's for a free credit report summary and consultation, and the toll-free phone number is 1-855-655-9869. Please subscribe and join our congregation. This is Dan, the Credit Man Willis. Please have a fantastic afternoon. We're going to include a couple of links to some other videos in the description below, and looking forward to talking to you again here soon.